Nag-comment si Mr. John Cook. And sabi niya, two things. Number one, he who is faithful with little will be faithful with much. Number two, na kanyang takeaway, do more than what you are paid for because eventually it's an investment for your future. I super agree with you. Kaya yan din yung sinabi ko sa video because I've done that for more than a decade, that I was doing more beyond my job description. And the effect, ako yung nag-grow. Marami akong nag-gain na insight, knowledge na hindi ko makukuha kung nag-stick lang ako sa job description ko. Siyempre, kung may employer na gustong magpa-promote ng mga empleyado nila, among the employees na pipiliin nila, I think mas pipiliin nila yung mga employees na hindi nag-start sa scratch, na meron ng knowledge and meron ng experience. Yung maganda doon is bumibilis pa ang pag-promote mo kung yun yung gusto mo. Pero syempre, if ikaw yung tao na ayaw mong promote, ayaw mong mas mabilis yung growth and focus lang sa job description, walang pumipilit sa'yo. Do what you want to do. Pero for me, and katulad din yung comment ni Mr. John Cook, gawin natin yung mga bagay na kahit wala sa expectations ng iba, wala sa job description, kasi bibilis yung pag-grow natin eh. Pero, kailangan din natin balansin na, syempre, babantayan din natin yung well-being natin, yung mental health natin, hindi naman nasisira pamilya natin. Yung maganda doon, ikaw ang magsiset ng pace and mas na-accelerate in learning.